For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hi, you're watching News9 Digital. I'm Pratibha and I'm going to talk about the prospect of international travel starting yet again. Yesterday, the Union Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri spoke about international flights resuming again after India reached an agreement with a few other countries and creating travel bubbles. So what are these travel bubbles and what is the pact that India has reached with which countries? I'm going to talk about that today. Firstly, international travel is going to begin from July 18th. There are 28 flights that will be operational between Mumbai, Delhi as well as Bengaluru as well as France. A similar understanding has also been reached with United States, and the aviation minister also said that very soon with UK as well the travel will begin. As of now, of course, the only travel that is being allowed is after you tell the authorities that it is for some essential travel, only then is travel being allowed. So what are these travel bubbles? This is an air corridor, that is a pact that is reached between two countries, a decision that has been made between two countries for travel to begin. So if two places have come up with this agreement, this means that if we travel from here to the other country, we will not have any restrictions. We've seen the kind of troubles that the restrictions bring us in a few states within the country as well. There are still restrictions. If we are perhaps traveling to Maharashtra and back, we will have to undergo 14 days quarantine. The restrictions have been changing quite often, and this also makes it extremely difficult for people to travel even within the country. So at a time like this, international travel can begin again. We can travel because India has reached that understanding. This means that if we are traveling to this particular country, whether it is France, the United States, or in some few weeks, even the United Kingdom, we will not have any restrictions, no quarantine, and then we can travel back. So this is a sign that things are improving. For several months now, we have dealt with the coronavirus pandemic, and it's also clear that coronavirus is not going away anytime soon. So we are dealing with the situation. These are some of the baby steps that have been taken to ensure that travel is back, that the international ties are also returning to normalcy. This would, of course, on a personal level be extremely helpful. It's something that people are really looking forward to because they want to travel again. This in turn would also mean that the economy of the countries will also improve, because in India alone, because of this international travel restriction, there are 38 million jobs that have been affected, and tourism has been hit badly in India. And similar is the case with the other countries as well, which is why this decision is going to come as a big relief in terms of economy and the tourism. Apart from that, for trade as well, this is going to be a very welcome sign. This is a sign that things are returning to normalcy, even if it is a little different from how it was in the pre-COVID era. So travel bubbles have as of now been created with the countries that have a similar situation to India. This is something that had first been experimented in the Baltic states, and they decided that the states which have an equal amount of or a similar amount of coronavirus cases, a deal can be reached and then travel can begin again. So this definitely comes as a welcome sign, but there are a few challenges as well. While it might sound good on paper, the worrying factor is that what if everything resumes to normalcy and the cases increase? If India has a pact with another country, but that country also happens to have a pact with a third country which has more coronavirus cases, this yet again brings us to the basic problem of people mingling and getting coronavirus again, and of course bringing it back to the country as well, which is why the spread of the infection can increase drastically across the country. So this is one of the worries as well, but as always, it has been a hard choice between ensuring that the coronavirus cases are in control and also ensuring that, of course, the trade and the economy is also back on track. So these are some of the challenges, but of course this is one of the experiments that India is currently trying. A few European nations have already had success with this kind of an experiment. India is also now taking up this challenge of having travel bubbles. So in the coming days, it will be clear whether it's helping the situation or not. Well, that's all I have in this video. Thank you so much for watching, but do let me know in the comment section as well if you're waiting to travel, if you're waiting to go out there and explore the world, or are you waiting for the coronavirus situation to subside and until then you've decided not to travel. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.